The kit, the Give Thanks DIY Decor Kit that's on sale for $100 is this baby right here. I'm going to show you all of it and let's show you how we can decorate with it. The first thing that I wanted to tell you was it comes with this tiered tray stand. So this tiered tray comes apart. You can take it apart, which I'm going to do right now, but this is what it looks like when it's all together. I'm going to take it apart because I want to show you, I don't have every single element of this, but I want to show you the, I don't have every one of the transfers, I'll put it that way. When I got it last year, I did not do the base part, the decorative part for in here. I did not buy that transfer, but I do want to show you what else it comes with. So right now, as you can see, I have my cute little summery looking, my cherries design that I have on here. And this is an insert that is chalkable and reusable. So it's double-sided and it's a chalkboard surface. So all I have to do is flip it over and do a different design on it. Or thank you so much for sprinkling, I appreciate it. Or I could erase this off and use this side. I don't have the design that goes along with this particular kit that you get for $48, you guys. You get this tray, you get the inserts, but I am going to flip my inserts around since, you know, since the summer's over and I'll be using this for other designs for now and for Christmas. So I'm just going to flip that over and just leave it white right now. That's how I'm going to do it. But with the kit, you will get a little transfer that will let you put a pretty design in here. It's kind of like a, looks like a branch with some leaves and a couple berries on it. So it would be perfect for fall. And you could do it in whatever colors you wanted. It actually would probably work for other seasons too, but it's definitely set up for fall. So that's one of the things that you get. I'm not going to show you all the transfers today. You can click on the link that I put in the comments and see that for yourself. But I am going to show you what you can make with the transfers today. So this is the tray that you would get and the two inserts, first of all. And then you get the accessory kit, you guys. The accessory kit. And that's what we're going to have fun with. That's where you play. That's where you can design it and make it your own colors. Now the colors, it does have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, y'all, goodness, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different paste colors. I will tell you what those are because I did not use those paste colors. I made it the colors that I wanted to use for my tiered tray last year. I did this last year. So I just went to my little stash and I pulled out my guys that I made last year. And I use this not only for fall, but I used it for Thanksgiving. And I'm going to show you how you can do both with this one set, the Give Thanks kit. So it retails normally for $148 for everything I'm showing you, plus the paste that I'm not showing you, plus the transfers that I'm not showing you. But the 8 colors that you get are bark, which is like a chocolate brown, bright white, camel, which is just like you would think, it's like a tan, cherry, which is that beautiful red that you just saw on here, dune, which is the color of sand, hey pumpkin, which is this fabulous color that we just came out with this year. We didn't even have that last year. And 2 of the saffron, which I don't have saffron, but saffron is a very goldish yellow, very like deeper color yellow. Thank you so much. I appreciate that, Melanie. All right, guys, so you get this, you get the inserts, you get the transfer that will let you decorate this insert. You get 8 paste packets. These are what a single paste packet looks like. You get eight of those and all those colors I just mentioned to you. You get a mini squeegee. I want to show you these things, guys, because you really want to know. For $48, $100 off, you're going to get a mini squeegee, which is a tool you're going to want to be able to create all this great stuff with. You are also going to get, I don't know if I have any down here, 7 color trays. So basically they're little plastic trays that are square. You guys have seen me use them before. They're little white plastic trays that are square. They're reusable and you can put your chalk paste on it or use it for any kind of crafting project. What else do you get? Like I said, you get the different, yeah, you get let me see. 1, 2, 3 different transfers as well to go along with this. And then you get what we call our tier tray accessory pack. And this is what that is. I'm going to show you, not those guys yet, in a minute. So you get this adorable little little mini board and base. We call this a board and base. We have it in a bigger size. You guys saw me do it in the white. You've seen with our Hey Pumpkin. You've seen me do it in the black. These are our board and base, the big size. We made mini ones. So we have a black one like this size as well. So you get this little guy, and he's double-sided, and you get this little base that comes with it. I just put a little bit of like embellishment on it. It was a twine that has berries already on it. I really kind of like it. It's twine, but it's a wired twine. So I just kind of hot glued that on there, or glue dotted it on there. But it's a double-sided one. And then this is one of the transfers that come. This is on one of the transfers that you come. So you've got the autumn. I'm just going to show you one side right now. I know, I love mini stuff. I don't know why. It's just adorable. So I'm going to show you just one side right now, and then I'm going to show you how it becomes it will transition all through fall, through Thanksgiving, okay? Now you get this is part of the accessory pack. Want this here. You also get this. This is a little box frame. Isn't that adorable? And again, this is another design that comes on one of the transfers. Okay, so you get that too. You also get this fake book stack. So it usually it comes white like that. I painted it 3 different colors because I liked all those colors in my fall decor, and I used one of the designs on one of the transfers, and I put those fun words on there. And you can either put it up like this, put it up like this. Let's see, can you see it? I guess I could move it. Put it like this, or you can put it like this, or you can put it like this, however you want on your tray. So we're just going to set it like this for right now because I don't have anything else in front of that one. And I'll show you what I put on the back of it, because I know you probably saw that I had a little bit of something on the top. You will also get this little mini cutting board. How adorable is this? Okay, let me flip this around because this is just a little ribbon that I added onto it. It's double-sided. Again, it's like a little mini cutting board. It says Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes. This is another. Now you get a bunch of designs to choose from. And you can put whatever you want to put on whichever piece. They're not like set up for like, oh, you have to use this one here. This autumn one with the wagon, you have to use here. No. I used the word autumn that was on there, and I used the wagon. The wagon also can come with apples or pumpkins. I just chose leaves. I did a hot mess technique with a bunch of different colors and made it look like fall leaves. You get to design this however you want, but that's just a couple of the elements that are on it. This is another one. And again, we're going to find a place to kind of prop that up. If you have another one of these little bases, because you can buy these in a 2-pack, you could just stick that in there like that. So now we have this. And then it also comes with a little tiny, let me see, a little tiny rolling pin. How adorable. It comes this color. I painted it with our chalk paste. And then I used the phrase Autumn Vibes. Again, there's a lot of different phrases on here. You can use anything you want to put on it to make that cute little rolling pin. And I just added a couple. This is actually fabric I just tore and put it on there. Yeah, now I need fake bake. See, I have not ventured into fake bake yet, girl, but I need to do it, especially for the Thanksgiving version of this. I wish I had my apples. I was picking up apples from somebody in the neighborhood and I didn't get them. Let's see, what else? That is all of the accessory pieces that come with it, but then you also get, and I'm missing one of them. Where's that guy? Oh, he must be downstairs somewhere. I must have left him downstairs. You also get another transfer that comes with these cutouts. So these double-sided cutouts. The transfer has some patterns on it. As you can see, I use patterns on the back, so I could just do it that way if I wanted. And it also comes with actual designs that you can do it. And it also comes with an acorn. I don't know what I did with the acorn. I don't think I brought it out. I don't know where my acorn is. It's okay, it's somewhere. But it also comes with a little acorn. So 3 of these cutouts and the transfer that goes along with it that also has patterns on the back. So you can just kind of lay those wherever you want to put them, to display them, however you want. Now with a tiered tray, there's layers to tiered trays. So maybe I just put that there. I actually use this one up here in my craft room. I have one for my coffee bar that I just use for the coffee bar, but I use this one up here to try to display for you guys. But eventually I'll probably put it out on my counter when we move. I have tried to fill it in with other things, and you're probably like, what else? Melanie had a great idea. Fake bake. If you're doing the fake bake stuff, guys, do this. Do this. It would be perfect with something like this. What I did last year is I had another transfer. I don't think this is on one of the ones that you get, but I had another transfer that says Fall in Love. I think this was one of our minis, one of our mini transfers, and I just have one of these fake candles, if you can see it, and I just chalked directly on that fake candle, put a little bit more of this same twine, I don't know what to call it, to be honest with you, vine, twine, whatever, and then just put that on there like a candle. I mean, I wouldn't put a real candle on there. I know, I so want to try. I have almost everything I need to make fake bake. I just haven't taken the time to do it. You also want to just build in layers. So, you know, you might want to get one of the colors that you're using in here, or just a color of fall. Get a little bit of greenery, because, you know, with a lot of them, depending on where you put your, hi Denise, thanks for joining me. Depending on where you put your tray, whether you're going to see it in the round or whether you're going to see it just from one side or the other, depends on where you place it. But then grab some other things like some picks. So here's my acorns that I do have with some pine cones. This is a pick I got somewhere. I've had it for a couple years. Just fun things like this. And you can just kind of, you know, tuck them in here, tuck them in there, just to add a little bit of character to your, you know, and a little bit more interest to your tray. I also have this guy I got last year from, it looks like from Bullseyes, from Target. It's just like a pampas, like plume, I guess you would call it. But you could put that in a vase and have it like with some height to add some height to it. Or you could just, again, just tuck it in somewhere so that you can enjoy having it. I don't really have it set up the way I want it, but I'm just trying to show you guys some ideas. One more thing you can do is you can take some of your ribbon, and like you could attach your ribbon. You could just attach a little bit on, let me see if I can get this to go through here the way I had it. You can attach a little bit of ribbon to add some interest to your tray as well. Just do a little, this was just a real simple bow. I just crossed them over and then put it together with some of that same kind of twine. And then I have one more thing here that I got last year, and actually it came unglued, so I'm trying to re-glue it. But look at this cute little pumpkin pick. I wouldn't use it as a pick, but you can take, I like to use the Dollar Tree pruners to cut like the florals and stuff like that, but you could use this, cut off the bottom. I think this will cut it. If not, get a pair of wire cutters. Ooh, I don't know if I could do it. I can't cut it. It won't cut. Get something to cut it, and then you could just stack these little cute little pumpkins on here too. So I'll probably do that and set it on my tray as well. So just fill it in with a couple different things that you like to add some different textures, but florals, candles, fake bakes, I have some fake apples somewhere. What else do I have? Fake pumpkins, fake whatever, some leaves. I do have another, oh, I have a bunch of these. I forgot to grab it. I have a bunch of these put away. I'm trying not to pull stuff out, but you know, your leaves. Just put things like that around just to add some interest to your design and to your tray. Now, the cool thing about this one, like I said, it is usually $148. It's on special with Chalk Couture right now for $48. Yeah, I love the ones with the timers too. This one is not, this is like a super cheap one. I think I've had it for years. I don't even know how long I've had it. So it's not a timer, but I love the ones that I have that have the little clickers that I can put it on a timer or something like that. Those are the best. And I love the new kind of candles they have now where the flame actually moves and it looks so realistic. But the cool thing about this is it's not just for fall. I mean, obviously right now I have it set up very fall, you know, pumpkin kisses. And so that will work for all the way from, you know, the end of August, beginning of September. You know, you can use it through Thanksgiving, but guess what? You don't have to, because look at this. So with this transfer set also, you have a lot of Thanksgiving type. Maybe you don't think so. Maybe you feel like, nope, that's good for fall, and it would be an apple pie, and I would make it red, or I would do something like that. But you can also do, we have a bunch of sayings that are geared towards Thanksgiving. So what I did was on the back side of mine last year, look at that. What does that say? It says, it just has the pie. But look how cool that is. So I did things like that because I think of pie at Thanksgiving. And I can't get that on there right. And then I did this on the back side of the, it says Thanksgiving, in case you can't see that. Thanksgiving blessings. Okay. And then on the back side of this, I use that. I just did give thanks, so I can flip it around. And again, you can keep these pumpkins like this and the leaves, or you can do the backside and do a thing. Yes, you can change them out. Wipe it off and change it out. Not this one. This one you would have to sand it off and redo it because it's wood. It's actual wood. But this one is a chalkboard, so you can change it out. Like I said, if you want to do it early in the fall for apples, you could put apples in there. If you want to do leaves for September, you could do leaves. For October, if you want to put pumpkins in there, we have little pumpkins. The transfer has all those different guys on there, so you can check it out. But I did add these different ideas for Thanksgiving because I just wanted it to be able to be versatile. And when I chose my colors to paint it, I tried to do colors that I thought would be fine for Thanksgiving. This is another design that's on the transfer as well. I just did it on a piece of foam and cut it out and used a piece, I don't think you can tell, but a little like pop dot. And so now I have also another option for talking about fall and talking about Thanksgiving. So it's just cool because you can play with it, do whatever you want with it. It comes with all of this, the 8 paste packets, the 3 transfers, everything you see here, all for $48. So that's on special, I think, until like the middle of next month, in case you guys are interested.